How to download, install Rapido Captain app in iPhone. So if you want to download or install the Rapido Captain app in your iPhone, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, you need to just open up your app store. On your app store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Rapido. Once you've searched, you'll find the application right here. So if you want to download or install this application, you need to just simply tap on get. And once you tap on get, it will start the installation process. It might ask you to either double click to install or just enter your Apple password in order to install. Once you enter your password or once you double click the power on button, it will scan your face, and after that, it will start the installation process. Once it has been installed, you'll get the open button. You can tap on open and it will be installed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.